Hello everyone. Next we are going to make two carrots, starting by making the body of the carrots. We're gonna make the stem also. After it is ready, we are going to highlight it from the middle as well. Now you can use any color as per your preference you want for coloring this. Here we have used green color for coloring the stem, and then we are using golden glitter color for coloring our carrots. Next, we are going to make a dog, starting by making the face of it. We're gonna make the long ears. Along with that, we're gonna make the eyes, nose, and then the mouth. After that, we will move ahead towards its body and the cute tail. Now we're gonna draw a bow as well, and now coloring it with brown color. Next, we're gonna make a cute cartoon, starting by the big face. We're gonna move ahead towards its body and the hands and legs. Next, we are going to highlight its face by making the eyes, nose, and the mouth. After it's ready, we are going to give it some more detailings, and now you can color it as per your preference. Next, we are going to make a cute monkey, starting by making the face of it. We're gonna move ahead towards the body and the detailings like hands and legs. At last, we're gonna draw the long tail, and then it is ready.